How to deploy a PHP project on Vercel. So if you want to deploy a PHP project on Vercel, then here's how you can do it. You can start by organizing your project. Create a new folder called API and move all your PHP files into it. Inside that folder, create an index.php file with a basic script that returns a simple message like hello world on a GET request. Now head to the root of your project, create a vercel.json file, paste in the following config. This tells Vercel that we are using the PHP runtime and defines the route that handles incoming requests. Once that's set up, push your code to GitHub. Just create a new repo, run the git commands from your terminal, or simply drag and drop your project into the GitHub UI. Now head over to the Vercel, log in with your GitHub account or connect it manually. Click Add New Project, then import your PHP repo from GitHub. Give your project a name, leave the defaults, and hit Deploy. Vercel will handle the build process automatically, and in a few seconds, you'll get a live preview link. You can even connect your custom domain if you want. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.